Guided visualization for arthritis and joint pain. Close your eyes and breathe out 3 times slowly. Now see yourself on a beautiful beach, a tropical beach in a familiar place that you have visited and seen before. The sound of the waves are soft, the sand is golden, the sky blue, and the sun bright and cheery. Now find a place on this beach where you can lie down on your back with your soles of your feet pointing towards the water, and cover yourself and your body with wet sand, leaving only the soles of your feet, your face, and your head exposed. The sand and water mixture acts as a pumice compound, cleansing your skin. See the tide coming in very quickly, entering the soles of your feet. Sense the spiral currents of water washing away all the accumulations of waste products there, dissolving any deposits and eliminating any toxins that are causing your pain. The tide then begins to go out and the current reverses, flowing out of your feet slowly. See the waste products emerging as black or gray strands being carried away on the outgoing tide. The tide comes back in quickly and again enters through the soles, then moves up into your feet and ankles, washing away all the waste products and toxins there. As the tide goes out, the spiral current again reverses. Sense it flowing from your ankles, through your feet, and down into the soles of your feet as black or gray strands, which are carried away by the outgoing tide. The sand and water compound thoroughly cleanses the outside of your feet and ankles. Once again, the tide comes back very quickly through the soles of your feet. The spiral current now passing into your feet and ankles and up into your legs and knees, washing away all the waste and toxins there. Sense the spiral current massaging the muscles, helping the ligaments and tendons to stretch, and cleaning the cartilage and kneecaps until they are gleaming white. As the tide starts going out, sense the spiral current reversing, flowing back down slowly through your legs and calves, slowly into your ankles, your feet, and through your soles. See the waste emerge as black or gray strands being carried away in the outgoing tide. The pumice compound having thoroughly cleansed the outside of your knees. The tide comes back quickly now through your soles. The spiral current going through your feet, ankles, legs, knees, and thighs, through the groin and into the lower abdomen and spinal column, through the abdomen, into the chest cavity and upper spinal column, into the neck and cervical vertebrae and through the shoulders. Sense the current going down through the upper arms, into the elbows, and down the forearms into the wrists, cleaning out all the toxins, washing away all the waste, eroding all the accumulations, massaging the bones, ligaments, tendons, and muscles, making them all gleaming white, and seeing them stretching and elongating. The tide reverses again and goes out. The spiral current reverses and goes back slowly from the wrists up through the forearms. Sense it returning through the elbows, upper arms, shoulders, neck, into the chest cavity, down into the abdominal cavity, through the groin, thighs, knees, legs, ankles, and feet. And see the waste products coming out through the soles as black or gray strands and being carried away by the outgoing tide. This reverse process is done slowly as the tide goes out to the incoming tide and spirals which come in quickly. See the swelling disappear as the current cleans them out. The tide slowly goes out, taking all the waste products with it from your body, from your chest, your abdomen, arms, elbows, shoulders, and neck, now through your groin, thighs, knees, legs, ankles, and feet. The waste goes out with the outgoing tide. Now stand up and dive into the blue waters of the ocean and swim out to the horizon. See your arms and legs becoming immensely long and your torso becoming long as well. Your limbs are moving freely as you swim freestyle. As you reach the horizon, turn over and on your back and swim to shore, using a backstroke as your limbs again become immensely long and freely flowing, and your torso becomes elongated as well. When you reach the shore, come out of the water and let the sun dry you, standing in the golden light. On a nearby palm tree, pick off a light robe and wrap it around you, breathing in and out the salty air. And now open your eyes and see that your body is renewed, shining, clean, healthy, vibrant, full of life and health. Be patient with these exercises. It will take time, but do these exercises a few times a day with this guided meditation to help your body heal, reduce pain and swelling. Thank you, and stay well.